Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPad mini 6 along with its accessories, and I'll also do my usual first boot up. So let's start with the accessories. First, we have a SIM card. Next, we have an AirTag. I've already unboxed one AirTag during my iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing video, so this is another one. Next up, we have the 30-watt Apple USB-C charger. Inside this big brown box, we have the Logitech keyboard and mouse. This is the case. This is the screen protector. And lastly, we have the iPad mini itself. Like I said, this is the 6th generation model, or the 2021 model if you will. I got it in purple with 64 gigabytes of storage and also Wi-Fi plus cellular connectivity. I don't actually need the cellular connectivity, it's just that I wanted the iPad mini in purple with 64 gigabytes of storage, and the only model they had was the one with Wi-Fi plus cellular connectivity, so I got that one. Also, that is why I have a SIM card earlier on. So, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, we have a picture of the iPad mini itself with a stylized mini logo. On the right and the left sides of the box, we have iPad mini. On the top and the bottom, we have Apple logos. The color of the Apple logos as well as the iPad mini branding, they're all color coded to the color of the iPad that you buy. Since I got purple, they're all in purple. And on the back of the box, we have the barcode, serial number, model, what comes in the box, so on and so forth. So, to open up the plastic wrapping, there is a tab right here that you pull. Put the plastic aside. Okay, so the top is off, and right on top we have the iPad mini itself. Let's put this aside. Designed by Apple in California. Obviously the Apple stickers. A SIM injection tool because this is the cellular model. This is safety and handling in several languages. Tips, again in several languages. Here we have the charger. I believe this is 20 watts. And obviously it is the flip up 3-pin type. And lastly, we have the USB-C cable. Okay, so let's attempt to put the screen protector on. This is called Amazing Thing, Supreme Glass, and we have the cleaning kit, a leaflet. This would be the screen protector itself. Okay, so let's remove this protective layer. You probably can't see it, but the screen protector has been stuck on. Looks quite good, so yeah. Okay, so next let's go with the case. I got the iPad mini Smart Folio in dark cherry. That's the back of the box. That's the front. So you should just pull it out like this. Very simple. And we have the case right on top. Nothing else inside. Slot in like this. Okay. And here's the case all stuck on. Okay, so before we turn it on, let's insert the SIM card. Okay, so let's do the first boot up. Hello. Okay. Guess you just swipe up. English. Select country or region. Malaysia. Quick start. Set up manually. Written and spoken languages. Yep, that's all for now. So continue. Let me just enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so the Wi-Fi password has been entered. It's now saying it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Data and privacy. Continue. Touch ID. Okay, continue. Use this finger. Capture all your fingerprint. Continue. Accidentally press the button. Okay, my fingerprint has been added, and continue. Add another fingerprint. Okay, let's try this way. Okay, second fingerprint has been added. Continue. Create a passcode. I'll be back. Okay, the passcode has been entered. Now, apps and data. I have a few options. I'm not gonna transfer apps and data. Apple ID, let me enter this and I'll be back. Okay, my Apple ID has been entered. Now it's asking for terms and conditions. Agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Continue. Yes. Keep your iPad up to date. Continue. iCloud Drive. Turn off iCloud Drive. Continue. Siri, set up later in settings. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Okay. So that's my iPad all set up. Okay, so next up, let's unbox the AirTag. Pull this tab. Safety and handling, regulatory compliance information, and Apple 1-year limited warranty leaflets. AirTag. You have instructions on how to set it up, and we have the AirTag in the middle. You just open it up like this, and once you pull the plastic out, you have that notification noise. Okay, after the AirTag, let's go for the 30-watt USB-C charger. An information leaflet as well as the Apple 1-year limited warranty leaflet. And here we have the charger itself. Unwrap. Like that, and we have the charger. USB-C on this side, and obviously the UK 3-pin plug on the other side. Okay, so lastly, let's unbox the keyboard and mouse. Here's the keyboard, and here's the mouse. The mouse is the Logitech Pebble M350. You have a seal right here that you cut. Open it up like that. And right inside we have the mouse. Warranty information, how to set it up and whatnot. I think you should just pull it like this. Cover comes out. We have the battery and the USB receiver, but I believe this should have Bluetooth as well. Hopefully. If not, I bought the mouse for nothing. Let's unbox the keyboard. Right on top, we have the keyboard itself. Safety, compliance, and warranty information. How to connect. And if we pull this tab, it should release the batteries. Okay, so now let's connect the keyboard and the mouse to my iPad mini. Okay, settings. Let me just bring up Bluetooth. AirTag. Connect later. And now, Logitech Pebble has already popped up. Let's connect that. Bluetooth pairing request. Logitech Pebble would like to pair with your iPad. Okay, pair. And it's already connected. Should work. Okay, you can see the cursor. Now, let's go on with the keyboard, which should just work if you press this. Okay. No. Okay. Now it should work.
keyboard. And they're both connected.
Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new iPad mini 6th generation 64GB Wi-Fi plus cellular in purple. Thanks for watching and goodbye.